Did not expect this. A giant container. In fact, Will sliced the cardboard box and was like, Lou, I think you're gonna need to take a look at this. And I was like, you're probably right. And take a look at it, I will. This is what it was. Jurassic Doritos. A giant metal crate seeming to imply some type of gigantic Dorito chip. No, it's not a new smartphone. It's not a new laptop. It is a giant Dorito chip. I'm gonna take a bite of it. On the side of the container, you can see Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. A couple of giant clamps on the front. Here we go, like it's some sort of top secret, very sensitive material inside. Ooh. Congratulations, you're now the lucky owner of the biggest and boldest Doritos chip ever created. Only 100 Doritos chips will be released into the wild, so take good care of it, or just eat it. Well, of course that's what I'm doing. You think I'm gonna look at a giant Dorito chip and not eat it? Jack, what? Do you even know me? Certificate of authenticity, all right? That ain't no fake. That ain't a fake giant Doritos chip. It's a real one. Number 39 out of 100. Okay, I'm gonna be very careful here. Oh, man. Oh. It's like a giant dinosaur egg. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Do you see that, Jack? It's a giant chip. An official giant Doritos chip. R&D test sample, not for sale. Doritos nacho cheese flavored. Now see, I knew it was gonna be nacho cheese, but there was a few people disagreeing with me. For example, Kirk Chops over there goes by the name Kirk Chops. And his choice, not mine. If they're gonna do it big, they're gonna go OG, it's gonna be nacho cheese, and that, of course, is what it is. Like, this is art. Like, you put this on the back wall, people pay money just to weep in front of the world's largest Dorito. I'd weep in front of that. But of course I gotta eat it! I don't know if I've ever been so careful opening anything before. The Illuminati confirmed. Guys, you have to understand, I did not know this was showing up, all right? This is unplanned. I don't know. Very surgical procedure. I smell nacho cheese. This is one of the more limited edition things I've ever opened up, if you think about it. There's 100 of these. I mean, where do you go from here? Where do you go from the world's largest Dorito? I don't know. Let's try the chip. Why don't we try the chip? Okay, here we go. Man, holy moly. That's nacho cheese. Many important moments in history. You have moon landing, Jimi Hendrix at Woodstock, you got the pyramids in Egypt, feats of engineering, but now you have this. Mmm! Mm-hmm! They didn't just scale up the chip this way, it's thicker. It must be thicker to maintain its shape. See that bite I took right there? That might have been 3 Doritos in one bite. Sometimes life surprises you with the giant Dorito, and today's that day for me. Willie Doo, get over here. Take a bite, man. Get in here, Willie Doo. You deserve it. You've been so upset recently.
Yeah, it's been rough.
All the crying behind the scenes, I just want to make it right.
All right.
Do me proud. It's up to you. Easy there. Cheese. Aggressive.
It's good. I feel like there's a lot more seasoning on this one.
That's what I thought. That's the biggest Dorito in the world, and that's Willie Doo. Ladies and gentlemen. And that's Willie Doo. All right, close the show.
Thanks for watching. That's all I got. Do you guys want to try? I ended it. I'm good.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Willie Doo!
All right, I'm just gonna leave this here.